In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Notion progress bar. First, open Notion in your web browser and go to your workspace. Once Notion loads, you should see the sidebar on the left and your pages in the main area. Now, on the left side panel, click Add New. This lets you create a new page or start from a template, which is useful because it gives us a ready-made structure to work with. In the suggested templates, click Task Tracker. This template is helpful because it already includes a database for managing tasks, so you do not need to build everything from scratch. Next, click Continue. After that, choose Checklist and then click Done. You should now see a task tracking table or list appear in your workspace. At this point, we are going to add the progress bar. In Notion, a progress bar is usually created from a number property, then displayed visually as a bar. Look at the top of your database and click the plus sign to add a new property. Then choose Number. This creates a column where you can enter numeric values for progress. Once the number property is added, click on the property name or the dropdown for that column, and then select Edit Property. This opens the settings for how that number is displayed. In the property settings, choose Bar. The purpose of this option is to turn plain numbers into a visual progress bar, which makes it easier to track progress at a glance. As soon as you select it, you should see the column display as a bar instead of just a number. Next, click Color. This allows you to customize the appearance of the progress bar. Choose the color you want. For example, you can select green. After you select a color, the bar should update right away. Now you can start entering values into your tasks. Click in a cell under the progress column and type a number. For example, enter 10. As soon as you do that, you should see the bar fill based on that value. If you want, you can repeat this for other tasks and enter different numbers to represent their progress. Just make sure you click in the correct column. Common beginner mistake is accidentally typing the number into the task name column instead of the progress column, so double check before you enter your value. If your bar does not appear, go back into Edit Property and confirm that the display type is still set to bar and not just number. That is usually the reason if it looks different from expected. And that's all there is to it. You now have a visual progress bar inside your Notion task tracker, and you can update it anytime by changing the numbers. That's it. You have successfully completed the process. Your setup should now be working correctly. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to check out our other tutorials. Thanks for watching.